Hello. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to get key code for this amazing game. As you can see, I already playing the game, and everything is completely working. Take your mobile device. This keygen work only on Android and iOS devices. Let's jump to mobile screen records for better video quality. Visit keydrop.pro and find your game. Insert all necessary details and click the Proceed button. The last step is a simple verification process. Just click the Verify button and complete 2 tasks. Remember to follow the instructions below task. Let's speed up video for this process. Now back to the browser and check the verification status. As you can see, my verification is completed, and my game key was sent in mail. Then let's check the mailbox. I got my game key in mail. Thanks for watching and enjoy the game.